Nesbitt Reserve is one of the over 15 communities the Providence Group offers in the Atlanta area. And they have prices from the 200s to the 700s. We're going to find out where Nesbitt Reserve falls in that spectrum. And Kelly Fink is with us. She is the Vice President of Marketing for the Providence Group. Kelly, tell us more about Nesbitt Reserve.
Yes, Nesbitt Reserve in Roswell is a luxury low-maintenance lifestyle community offering master on the main villas from the 400s. All homes at Nesbitt Reserve provide homeowners with a fantastic carefree lifestyle with HOA maintained lawns and exteriors, allowing homeowners to enjoy all that Roswell and the surrounding area offers. We are excited to announce that we have 3 beautiful homes ready for immediate move-in dates with up to 5 bedrooms priced from the 430s. One of our move-in ready homes includes a full basement that can be finished for additional living space, including a bedroom, media room, flex space, and full bath. For a limited time only, we're offering a $7,500 buyer incentive on our move-in ready homes that can be used towards closing costs or designer options. All homes at Nesbitt Reserve include wonderful open main level layouts, boasting huge gourmet kitchens with oversized islands, beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and site finished hardwoods. All main levels feature spacious owner suites with tray ceilings, elegant baths with separate tub and shower, and huge walk-in closets. Upper level layouts include optional media rooms and large secondary bedrooms with private or shared full baths.
It's such an advantage that all of the exteriors are maintained, the lawns are maintained, and that really gives you more time to enjoy this wonderful area.
It does, and Nesbitt Reserve is in a fantastic Roswell location with easy access to 400 and 285. Nesbitt Reserve offers quick access to historic downtown Roswell, filled with charming shops and boutiques. The low-maintenance lifestyle offered at Nesbitt Reserve makes it easy for homeowners to truly enjoy everything life has to offer.
These absolutely beautiful master on the main villas are open and ready for you to see, so be sure and check out Nesbitt Reserve by the Providence Group today, where you'll experience luxury living by design.